Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So, today we're going to talk about a very important topic to discuss, especially those planning to visit or work in Qatar. We'll be talking about some crucial processes of downloading and verifying your Qatar visas online. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. So, now let's get started. Basically, the first and very important point is to look at a bigger picture that more and more people are visiting Qatar from a tourism perspective, and more people are getting interested in making Qatar home and coming here with their families to work, set up their businesses, etc. To understand the process of downloading and verifying your Qatar visa is very, very crucial. Many people fall victim to ongoing scams and fraud practices, so it's essential to be well informed and cautious. So the first thing we'll look at is what is the caution that you need to take if there are visa scams happening, because there are a lot of visa scams happening. And what I wanted to do is prepare you guys for such visa scams out there and to ensure that your money is not getting wasted. So beware of any so-called PR agents, PROs, or agents or travel companies who claim to expedite your visa process. These individuals are involved in fraud practices, and it's better to handle your visa applications yourself to avoid unnecessary risk and expenses. So the main thing that I wanted to highlight is that you can handle all your visa applications yourself. You have the power to manage the entire process independently without relying on any agent. So if you're in Qatar, consider using MeTrash, and if you're outside of Qatar, have a family member handle it. So now let's delve into the different types of scams that you should be aware of. So the first scam is related to work visas, family visit visas, residence visas, unfortunately, which is very prevalent in the market right now. So don't waste your money on any unauthorized agents who promise you quick results. So now let's move on to the steps that you need to follow in order to verify once you've received your visa online from any agent or so-called PRO. So the first step you need to do is to check and download your visa is that you need to visit the Ministry of Interior website, which is moi.gov.qa. The website is available in both English and Arabic. Follow these steps, go to the website, click on inquiries, then click on visa services, then click on visa inquiry and printing. Enter your visa number or passport number and your nationality. Then enter the verification code and click the submit button. So here after you submit, you will realize whether your visa that you've been delivered or given to by your agent is it genuine or is it fake. If it's fake, a result will come up which says visa cannot be found. Then you need to check with your agent on what's happening. If your visa is genuine, you can either get two messages. One is a prompt to make your visa payment and then to print your visa. Or if your visa payment has already been made by your employer, etc., then you'll have a prompt to download or print your visa. Now let's look at the other visa application processes available, like for example, Hayya A1, A2, A3 visas. It's very important to understand that actually you can also handle all of these visa applications yourself. You don't need to hire any PROs, any agents in order to process your A1, A2, A3 visas. It's very, very easy, very self-explanatory. Go to Hayya.qa and please try to make the applications yourself to avoid any scams that are happening currently in the market. Once your visa is approved, the e-visa or the entry permit that you receive, or if you're actually getting it through an agent, make sure that you scan the QR code on the visa and you get all of your relevant details appearing once you scan the QR code. There is also a visa application number mentioned on the top right on some applications. For example, A2, A3, A3 will have a visa application number mentioned. Make sure to follow the previous steps that I advised you to go to the MOI website, put the visa number and verify whether this application is genuine or not genuine. The other ways of verifying is that you contact the Hayya call center on 2022. If you're calling internationally, then plus 974 4441 2022, or email them at info@hayya.qa and check for the verification and authenticity of the visa that you have applied for. It's absolutely crucial that without verifying your visa, do not travel to the airport or immigration offices to avoid any inconvenience during your travel experience. So that wraps up our guide on downloading and verifying your Qatar visas online. Stay informed, be cautious, and enable yourself to handle all of these processes independently yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from this information. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.